Good afternoon and welcome to your tutorials on the use of your DBTC GSuite account. My name is Mr. Ian Messina and I will be teaching you how to do it. So let's get it on. If you have other kinds of browsers like Mozilla Firefox or let's say Opera, that will do well. Any modern browser will do. But first things first, when you are going to access your DBTC account using Google Chrome browser, you have to make sure that no one else is logged in. You should log out of that account first. Say for example, someone else had been using this browser previously, so all I have to do is just to click on that circle beside those three dots. See, someone is logged in. So all I need to do is just to sign out of that account by clicking sign out. That's it. And then just for good measure, I'll click also on this one when I enter google.com and click sign out. Now I'm totally signed out. I could sign in as my own user. When you have that DBTC GSuite account, you have to log in to your Gmail account, to your email. There you go, by typing gmail.com. So first thing, you have to sign in using the username given to you and click next. Then you have to enter your password, given the password given to you. If you noticed, I did not save it in my social media account like Facebook and those things. That is a no-no. You should at best try to be secure. So you are not going to share your login information with anyone, perhaps except only with your parents. And you have to save it, let's say, on a piece of paper or in your hard drive, but never store your username and password online. And once you're in, you have to accept the terms and conditions. So that's what we're going to do. You have to click accept, and once you've clicked OK, it will load Gmail, and there you go. You will have your Gmail inbox for your DBTC GSuite account. Always check your email. Your teachers are going to communicate with you through this official email. You can also access all other services of GSuite for Don Bosco Technical College. So how do we do that? Just click beside your icon. Just click at the 9 dots. It says Google Apps, and there goes. So you have your account, you have your YouTube, you have your Gmail, you have your Google Drive. Down here we got Google Docs. Google Docs is similar to Microsoft Word, and yes, it can also create something that is pre-formatted just like Microsoft Word. If you need to make your resume, they already have a format for your resume. If you want to make a project proposal, they can do the same as well, and there's a lot. Resumes, a lot. Letters, you need to write a formal letter. That's nice. Pet resume, your recipe, your project proposal, meeting notes, brochures, newsletters. If your teacher is asking you to make a newsletter, there is already a template for that, and so many others. So that's one. And let me just start with blank. Okay. The basics in the use of Google Docs is that you should always name your document. There it goes. Name your document. My first document. And if you want to download that to your hard drive, to your computer, you can do that as well by clicking File, then download as Microsoft Word. Yes, it can download as Microsoft Word, and if you don't want anyone to change it, then you can download it as a PDF document. Not an issue. So I'll just type anything here, and then another. There you go. And if your teacher is asking you to work on it as a group, what can you do? You can click share button. There you go. Click share button. Got it. Then change to anyone with the link. Not really to anyone in DBTC with the link. Right now I have marked them as a viewer. I should allow them to edit. Okay, editor. There you go. Then copy the link. Click copy link. Then click done. There you go. And now you can share it with some other friends. Let's say I'll open here another tab and paste it. The link is there, and I open it. When I open it, I can edit it as another person, like hi there. There you go. See, the other person, hello. And when I open it from the other tab, it says hello. See, you can now work together on the same project. So let's say page 1 is mine, page 2 belongs to John, page 3 belongs to Peter. That's not an issue. You can always click share button, get the link, okay, can edit, copy link, and got it, done, and share it with others. You can use your email to send it to your friends. Hey, work this out with me, and that's not an issue. For as long as they are also students in DBTC, they have their DBTC account, they're allowed by your teacher to do that. You're good to go. Okay, so you now know how to share your links. What else do you need to learn? I'll teach you how to use slides. Google Slides is similar to PowerPoint. And just like PowerPoint, there are so many templates that you can use to make your slides so beautiful, or at least presentable. So there you go. That's a template that I chose. All you have to do is just to modify the contents, and after modifying the contents, you can share it with your friends. Of course, you can share it with your classmates. If you want them to see it, you can always let them see it. Same thing. Instead of making them edit, you don't want your teacher to find out that they changed it. You just want them to give a feedback. Then you turn it to commenter, then copy link, and then done. And then you can share it with your teammates like that. And your teammates here could make a comment, like comment. Right click, comment. You did not change anything yet. Let's work tonight 8 p.m. There you go. If you want the specific person to use this to work on this, I can edit this and assign it to someone, like dbtc-cebu.edu.ph. There you go. You did not change anything yet. Let's work tonight at 8 p.m. And since the username is here, there you go, he will be notified that he's going to work here. Simple, but it's very effective. And of course, don't forget to share things with the person, like allow the person to comment or allow the person to edit if allowed by your teacher. There goes Google Slides. And the last but not the least, definitely, is have Google Hangouts. There you go. So I already have 2 friends in my Google Hangouts. If I need to add my classmates here, I can always add my new classmate. Let's say at dbtc-cebu.edu.ph. There you go. There it goes. So I can invite him in a different way. Let's say, let's work on our project. There you go. Send invite. Or let's be more polite. Hi, classmate. Let's work on our project. And that message would be sent, and the person has to accept the invitation before you get to communicate. And you can also communicate as a class, as a group. So all you need to do is create a new conversation, click new group. Okay, so I can enter this one and enter this one. Now you have a group made of 2 people, and you can add more people if you need to. And if you wish to share the link, you can make them join by clicking on the link. You just have to provide the link for them, copy the link, then share it with them, and you can now join in the same conversation. This is project 1. There you go. There is an official video call application for the class, and it's called Google Meet. It's right here. Your teacher will provide you a meeting code. You just have to type it in and then join, and you're part of the Google Meet. But if you want to simply meet with your group mates in Google Hangouts, you can click on it and then start a video call with all of them. The other use of your DBTC account is to have access to your learning management system. So how do we do that? Of course, first you have to log in to the DBTC website by typing www.dbtc-cebu.edu.ph. There goes. You'll be able to access a lot of things. Of course, among them is your enrollment and how to pay online for your fees. But more importantly, we need to connect. So you click or you hover your mouse over connect, and then you'll be able to see Moodle. That's where you want to go. So just click on Moodle like so. And then you don't need to do anything like type a username or password here. All you need to do is just to log in using your account on Google. There it goes. And since you have already logged into your DBTC account, all you need to do is just to select that account connected with DBTC, just like what I did, and click on it. And if you'll be asked to enter a password, just re-enter your password. And if it's not asking you to enter a password, then you are good to go. Oftentimes, it might take a little much longer than you needed, and sometimes it will create also error messages. So just in case you are going to encounter any of those, just re-click sign in using Google, and maybe on the second or the third try, or trying a different browser, you'll be lucky enough to log in. And here we go. So now that you're in, let's explore the parts of of your learning management system in DBTC. So first of all, you have to edit your profile so you can put in your nicest picture, and make sure that you only put in your proper picture so you don't get warned, your parents don't get warned either. And you can do that by clicking profile. Here in the profile, you can of course see your courses, the ones that you're studying, and it says that I'm 9% done studying a course. And of course you can click edit profile, like so. There you can enter your name, you can change your city, town, country, time zone. You can have your preferred theme, like Boost theme if I want to. Then you can upload your picture if you need to. You just have to browse for your picture and click upload. And when you're done doing it, of course you can add additional names, like how you wish your name to be pronounced. Like my name is Bissina and Ian. There you go. Interests. Yes, it pays a lot to include your interests. Remember, every time you add interests like magic, there it goes, you have to press the comma button, because when you press the comma button, it's included up there. Of course, I'll remove that. I'm more interested in IT outreach, religious freedom, world peace, technology inventions, and innovations. And the last are the optional things like your web page, ICQ, Skype ID, Yahoo. If you notice, Facebook is not included, as you can have it right here. Anyway, and yes, if you need to have it compatible with your phone, you can always click Get the mobile app and click update your profile. There it goes, and your profile is updated. Now, what else do we get to encounter in your learning management system? First things first, you can encounter here the school announcements, which you and your parents should be able to see. There you go, opening of classes on the 17th. There goes. And what else do we have here? IT announcements from the IT department, like availing the Microsoft 365 license. So all you need to do is click on it and read it. So how do you avail it? You must be logged into your school account and then visit office.com. Since I'm already logged in here in the DBTC learning management system, all I need to do is just to click this one, or maybe open it in a new tab, just like so. And there you go. In your case, if it's your first time to use it, you will be asked to log in, or perhaps or the agreement checkbox, and agree with their terms and conditions. After this, you'll be able to access things like you do in your Google Drive, like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, and Forms as well. But I'm not going to use them now. Let's proceed. What else do we have in the DBTC Learning Management System? Of course, you will have access to your subjects. So in this case, if you're grade 7, then you click on grade 7 and enroll in or join in the subjects that you are required to take. In my case, though, since I'm with the faculty, I have also subjects to take before I will be allowed to proceed with teaching, which is the seminars and trainings. So there goes. Training the tech educator. Teacher is Father Keith. I am going to enter this. Okay, there it goes. I'll click Training Tech Educators and enter the enrollment key or the password provided to you by your teacher or the school at that. So click Enroll Me. And there goes. And there goes. It says now that you are enrolled in the course. There goes. And you can access all other things like your calendar. When you click on calendar, you can see the events in school. Like that's how students, and more importantly parents, would be able to know what's happening in school. But don't depend on these. Try to also open and read your emails as well as the announcements right here in the home screen of your DBTC LMS. By the way, if you need to go directly to your lessons, you can just click on the dashboard and it will say will show you your recently accessed courses, like so, and you can click on them quickly without passing through other things. So that's it for now. And so there goes. That's how you work your DBTC GSuite account for starters. If you have questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with me at ian.lucina@dbtc-cebu.edu.ph, or you can always visit this YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye.